Hi everyone! I've received some questions about gesture controls, so let's go over them. Go to Actions, then choose Preferences and Gesture Controls. In the General tab at the bottom, you can disable all gesture controls completely, meaning that the app will only respond to the stylus and not your fingers. You can also turn off the Undo and Redo function, where tapping with 2 fingers undoes the action and tapping with 3 fingers redoes it. Now let's take a look at Layer Select. This is a very useful feature. For example, I have a collage with many layers and I want to edit the curtain, but I just don't remember which layer it's on. In this case, I just tap the square button and touch the object with the stylus at the same time. The program highlights the layer that contains the object, showing it in blue in the Layers panel. This makes it easy to edit the item directly. You can customize how this feature works. For me, it's set up as stylus plus square button, but you can apply different settings. For example, a finger touch without holding, finger touch plus square button plus Apple Pencil tap, or finger touch and hold. Personally, I find this setup very convenient, but you can adjust it to whatever works best for you. Subscribe for more Procreate insights and techniques.